But right now, we are joined by the director of RSTI, who is, of course, Dr. Rejoice Masego. She is joining us just to explain, Guti, namuhla kahle kahle besendani. But before we get into that, Mage, can you please explain the role of the national chapters for women in STEM, especially in our SADC member states?
Sibonge kakhulu Mlangeni. Ngidacela ukuvusela kulaba laba online. We really appreciate ukuthi nithathe isikhathi nibe kanye nathi. Sibonga nje kakhulu umbuto lomhle kangaka lokuthi kahle kahle le national chapter yeYZ iyendani. Ngingasho nje kakhulu Mlangeni lomhle kuthi de nga 2018 live la sayina sithi ke ngale singisi pheceledi ratification of the YZ Charter yaka SADC. Le charter leyo ke kwathi ngetikhathi letendlule before 2018 when do ma studies kwatholakala ukuthi in terms of women in STEM akusiyo ukuthi mhlambe lenkinga iseswatini kuphela njengoba uvile isheke akubeka njengoba uvile naletinye tikhulumi including our honorable minister akubeka kuthi kunenkinga nalakhaya in terms of women in STEM bancane kanti phela sithi siya knowledge economy kanti phela sithi SADC kuya knowledge economy. How can we achieve that nangabe population yethu le over 50% is not participating fully, does not qualify to participate? Kungako kwenziwa le coordinating structure because Mlangeni lomhle ukukhumbula ukuthi kunabo fawesa kunabo women's bayenda lo msebenzi wekucudela bomake ukuthi thathani phela leti fundvo leti tawugcina tinibekeka STEM, but as we have seen still ema percentages are past as we speak emsebentini nje labor audit skill ithi ba less than 20% bomake ku STEM. So kungako uhulumende wethu uthe let me establish the national chapter for YZ so that the process of promoting women in STEM, the process of mentoring women in STEM is well coordinated. Thank you.
But Magelogunye ke lesingakhulumisa ukuthi how far you've come with the national chapter and especially the domestication of the process or initiating yona is seyisebende kangakanani lana eveni eSwatini because letinye tinfo siyayisti initiate but tihambe kancane kancane. How far have you come with the domestication process of the national chapter?
Mlangeni lomhle liyagijima live.
Yeah.
Compared to other SADC countries lengake ngiwasho liyagijima as we speak. Live nje seliconclude a strategic plan because lesitawusebenziswa ngile national chapter yethu yaka YZ le nyalo kusenel committee. We trust lokuthi in the near future this chapter will be established by an act of parliament like it is the case in other countries. For now it's a committee running the organization. It's led by Professor Sugat. So thus having said that sine strategy njengoba sengisho that is an achievement.
Yes.
Number 2 livela kangwane selike la sharisha ema experiences cabanga ya sharisha ne South Africa ukuthi this is how you win in the game of promoting women in STEM. So sabasita nabo bateka leto nzaba Professor Sukati nje beka inviteiwe sihambe naye siyobavunlisa sathi sikusenjalo seva ngoba bayatshelana info lenhle lamavi seva eNamibia sebathi sisite eSwatini how do you operationalize the national chapter yenu sasherisha ama ideas abathumela lawo mali kanjalo neBotswana kanjalo neLusuthu. So uyabona lokuthi livela kangwane liyagijima impela. So that is why after the strategic plan litawusuka lithulu kaSikhongwane utawubona njengoba sobona lenyalo kuyalonjwa iprogram for mentoring women and girls in STEM. Thus ngumsebenzi lo wendiwa ingile chapter yethu yaka
Sibonge kakhulu make. Kusho kona ukuthi kunenqhubekela phambili kuko konke lo lokukhulumile. You know, I'm realizing that Eswatini is a powerhouse.
Oh,
Ngale ndlela
yes.
lesenta ngayo tinfo. Kuyasho ukuthi nangabe sebathathisa kithi vele embili kuyakhanya, but also more than anything kumcoka ukuthi we should give back to the smaller organizations. Sesibonile na mentorship program yalana namuhla, but what other initiatives are being implemented to ensure that lamanye ma organizations lamancanyana are getting support, for mentorship programs?
Strategy sethu nje lesithandza ukusiconclude sisho kahle ukuthi lama organization lamancane going forward sitawuhlanganyela ndzawonye ku resource mobilization. So uyabona ukuthi uhulumende utabalsito lapho. Phindze number 2, uhulumende usikhiya sekuvula iminyango levalekile. Wathi nje nawe uyocela imali ngiyabekisa sengibekise Central Bank. Utawuthi uhulumende uyakwadini ukuthi wena wendana. So nangabe njalo ukhanze kuthi lo msebenzi uhulumende uyawurecognize wale organization asengithi ngwimenge, then surely itayithola funding melula, so the trust as they are coordinated yakhuphuka. So siyathemba nje ukuthi nabo kusebenza kwabo uthathe emadubane impela.
And make loku sesicalile tinfo letinjena, you know, that are very beneficial to the young girls. Ngiyabona so senisungulile indlela nani sibonile lana bekune bantfu labasha bosisi labancane nabo make lebe bakhona, you know, speaking bathathisa ukuthi what the future will be looking like. Yini nje longakufakela bantfu labancane lebe bakhona labo sisi, most importantly bomake lebe bakhona namuhla?
Ngasho nje kakhulu ukuthi loku umgcokwa ungimake ingani noma nje ungibabe. I-future ila kuwe. Nguwe lo decide ukuthi by when ngidaba ukuthi then ube ne plan le kahle le ukuthi ngifika kanjani le, because if utawuthi hayi ngifuna kuba engineer but then you don't take into consideration that kufanele associate nalabantu labatakwenda uattain le vision yakho. So kuloko include wona lama mentorship programs or products of ma mentorship programs. So that's sithi ku youth le khona lelanga lanamhla siyaperisha. So ayisukumele to youth identify my mentors, sitaba develop my applications going forward, sitaw captureisha sibe ne data ukuthi lona mentor, then ema potential mentees they will identify.
Alright.
So ayisukumele tulu youth sithembe bona kuleli 70% of our population youth, that's sicela isiside isukume ku transformer le economy yethu to knowledge based economy. Singapho ukuthi ngabe uhulumende usendele, just ask yourself, what can I do for my government?
Wow.
What can I do for my country?
Thank you so much, Dr. Rejoice Maseko, for joining us. So toqhubeka ke sibambe solo sikhulumisa lokwendeka ngekhathi, but thank you so much for your time and, you know, giving back to our community of Eswatini and nyalo sengingasho ukuthi and the world, because ushito ukuthi ne knowledge niyayisharisha naletinye tive. Thank you so much once again for joining us, Mage.
Thank you so much for hosta. Sibonga naseMaswatini once again opportunity ukuthi basinike nje ukuthi sisharishe nabo ndzaba mentorship. Thank you so much.
All right, Mage, nivile ke babukele makhaya. There will be, you know, mentorship pairings right today where we identify mentors and mentees. And I'm glad, you know, to see young people coming out here, young girls, young women, to get all the knowledge that they need required to move on ahead, because we are trying to raise the numbers when it comes to the STEM programs, or rather being inclusive of young women in Eswatini in regards to, you know, STEM. But ke nokphila kuningi lesesikubonile namuhla.